Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion World with GP, and in today's video I'm going to create this very pretty blue eye makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'm starting with the Pond Super Light Gel. This is so good for winter care and it hydrates your skin so nicely. Next I'm going to do color correction, and for that I'm using this Inside Pro Concealer palette. So guys, today we'll also going to learn how to do your color correction according to your skin tone and by using less products also. So instead of taking this orange corrector, I'm taking this light brown corrector because my dark circles are not that much dark. That's clear. I'm going to blend this corrector by using my finger. So after the correction, we'll apply foundation. Here for foundation, I'm using the Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. The shade is Natural Buff 07. I'm taking less foundation as much as I can because today we are learning how to do makeup by using less products. By using less and required products, your makeup will never going to get cakey. I took a fluffy brush to apply the foundation. After that, I'm taking this light yellow shade from this Inside Concealer palette. I will apply this in my forehead, my nose, lower eye, upper lips, chin. After that, I will blend this by using a damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade for contouring. Now we'll blend the contour. Now we'll set the whole look by using this compact powder. Now for eye makeup, I'm taking the same yellow shade from this palette. We'll set the eyepiece by using this Lakme compact powder. And now we are good to go for eye makeup. So for eye makeup, I'm taking this blue eye pencil from My Glam. I'm applying the blue pencil in my overall eyelid of my both eyes nicely. It is so nice and it is very pigmented, as you can see. So I have nicely applied the pencil in my both eyelids. I'm also applying the blue eye pencil in my lower waterline in a wing shape. After that, I have taken a white eyeliner and applying lines on my eyes. Then I have taken this pink shimmer shade from Lakme Absolute palette. After that, it's time for blush. For blush, I have taken this dark blush and I'm blending it nicely. After the blush, now it's time for the eyebrows. So I'm doing my eyebrows here. Then it's time for the lipstick, and for lipstick I am using two shades. One is darker brown and one is nude shade from my glam, and I'm blending it nicely. After lipstick, here I'm applying the highlighter, and after all of that, here is my final look. So guys, I hope you all liked my today's look. So guys, that's all for today. For more such content, keep watching Fashion World with GP, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.